If you're experiencing connection errors with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connection stability. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing the speed on another device or running a speed test. If your internet is slow or disconnected, consider resetting your modem or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and wait for a minute. Plug it back in and turn on the console to refresh the system. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Updates and check for any available updates. Install any updates to ensure your console is optimized for connectivity. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Navigate to Settings, General Network Settings. Choose Test Network Speed and Statistics to check your connection quality. If you notice issues, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection for more stability. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can improve connectivity. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, Advanced Settings, DNS Settings. Switch to manual and enter public DNS like Google S 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Open DNS 208.67, 222.222 and 208.67, 220.220. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce connection errors on your Xbox Series X and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.